This guide shows you how to update your payment credit card in your D&R Legal Process Service, LLC account. Click on the My Profile link in the upper right-hand corner. Choose the middle tab, Payment Information. Click on the Add a Payment Method button. Select the credit card option. Enter the cardholder's first name. Enter the cardholder's last name. Now enter your credit card number. Next, the card's expiration month. Choose the expiration year. Next, enter the CCV security code from the back of your credit card. Access the billing address section. Make sure to confirm it with the Google address verification. Enter the suite number if you did not list it in the previous section and the company name. Now click the OK button. You can now give this credit card a nickname, like Business Visa Card. Now set this card as the default payment method. Finally, click the Save button to update the payment information. Now your credit card has been confirmed. Please be aware that in order to cover the cost of credit card processing, we pass on a 3% credit card fee. This fee is not more than the cost of accepting these cards. You can now navigate back to the home screen by clicking on the logo in the left-hand corner. Thank you for learning how to update your credit card payment method in your D&R Legal Process Service, LLC account. Please access your account through our website at drlegalprocess.com.